Hey guys, Sarah Appleford here. I've just received my Chefgood delivery. Can't wait to try it and have a look at what's inside. So this delivery came on Saturday morning after ordering it on Monday. So they deliver once a week. I've chosen 5 meals from their Slim and Trim range. So let's have a look. Okay, so they've got an ice pack. They're just sort of throwing in the box, really. So here are the 5 meals that I've ordered. As I said, I've ordered from the Slim and Trim range. These are all about 290 grams and around 350 calories per serve. So one thing, as I mentioned, I really like about them is that they are using whole food ingredients. And in fact, some of them, just having a look on the label now, only use a minimum amount of ingredients, which is a real positive for me. In terms of their nutrient profile, there's a good balance between the protein and the carbohydrates. Some of these have about between 25 and 30 grams of protein, which is really great for the size. But it's not all about nutrition, it's also about taste. So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave, heat it up, and we'll see how it compares to some of the other meal providers on how it tastes and the textures and the flavors. Okay, so I've just heated up the Indian spiced lamb curry with brown rice. It smells really, really flavoursome. It looks pretty good as well. There's chunks of the lamb, you've got the whole cauliflower and the potatoes. The beans look a bit sad, but that's what tends to happen with beans in microwave. And actually doesn't look like a big serve of brown rice, which is great because lots of these convenience style foods really mess up the ratio between having a refined carbohydrate and the protein source and the veggies. So let's give it a try. Okay, this is delicious. The flavors are all there, those garam masala, Indian flavors with the cardamom, the turmeric. It's got a little bit of hint of spice, which is nice. And the meat is super tender and quite juicy. So this is proving to be a really delicious meal. So I can't wait to sit down, plate this up and finish the rest of it. I'll be back soon with some final thoughts on the Chefgood range after having tried some of the other meals in the subscription box. Having finished the Indian lamb curry and tried some of the other meals in the Chefgood range, I can honestly say I was pretty impressed. Not only are they using whole food ingredients that are free of artificial flavors, colors, preservatives, they also taste delicious. They're delivered right to your door and they have an extensive range of options on their site. If you're vegetarian or vegan, you can find meal ideas there and meal options. You can also find options if you're following a gluten-free, keto or paleo diet. So there's something to suit everyone. There's also delicious looking snacks and breakfast choices there to choose from. The one thing I will say about the Chefgood range is that they are on the smaller side in portions, particularly the Slim Trim range. Now that's okay because obviously if you are wanting to lose some weight, you do have to look at your portion control. So we're looking at about 270 grams in size and about 350 calories in each of the portions. For the everyday meals, they are also on the smaller end. They're about 375 grams and each meal has about 450 calories. So you may need to supplement that with a salad or some more veggies, particularly if you're a big eater. Now, if you want to check out my full review and an article explaining a little bit more about the nutrients, the service of Chefgood, and what I thought overall, make sure you visit mealprep.com.au. And if you want to watch more reviews from meal providers, make sure you subscribe to the Meal Prep channel.